Do you want to know how to do a hem? In this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how. Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassie from Faodail Creation, and every single Wednesday I upload videos right here to this channel on how to use your sewing machine and simple sewing tips and tricks. This is the piece of fabric I am going to use to create the hem on. So right down here is all a raw edge, and we want to make a hem down here to stop the fabric from fraying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this fabric back, say 1/4 of an inch, and you can measure it with your ruler. Then with our iron, we are going to press this in place because it's just going to make it easier for us to work with. So this is our first turn, and then we're going to fold it over again, enclosing this raw seam here. So another 1/4 of an inch, and then we're going to press this down. Now we have this all nicely pressed, we don't really need to use pins because it's all lying nice and flat for us. Let's head over to the sewing machine and finish off the top stitching. Now when it comes to the top stitching and how long you should have your stitches, it's totally personal preference. You may decide that you like a wider stitch, or you may decide that you like a shorter stitch. With a wider stitch, it's going to be less forgiving if you can't sew a straight line, so just bear that in mind. I'm probably just going to pick mine up to a 3.0. Now I have a 90/14 needle in my machine, and I have my 1/4 inch foot on. Now I know that my 1/4 inch foot is going to work with this fabric because my turn was a 1/4 of an inch. You just want to make sure that when you're sewing your hem, you are catching the underneath. You can do it from this side if you want, or you can do it from the other side. I think it's personal preference, it's totally up to you. I'm going to do it from this side so you can see the hem on the side that's turned here. And I've also taken my speed down slow because you just want to be careful, just take it nice and easy. Of course you'll be using a matching thread unless you wanted something more contrasting with the fabric. Once complete, this is what your hem is going to look like. And this is the back side of the hem. So are you going to be working on hemming some projects? Let me know in them comments down below. And don't forget, I do videos every single Wednesday, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.